Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. If your onions have bolted, here's how to fix it, what I do and why it's happening. Now, the difference between onion sets and onions sown from seeds. Well, basically the onion is a biannual, so it has a 2-year life cycle. That's important to remember when we're thinking of bolting. Year 1 is all about producing leaves and that beautiful bulb. The bulb is then food to get it through the winter, and when spring hits again, it sends up that flower spike ready to set seed and die. The 1-year-old sets, they're good to start with, but they are more susceptible to bolting. If you want to fix the issue, then sow from seed. These are in year 1, of course, so they have only had cold start and then they're on to their warm section. What can happen this time of year is if we get a really bonkers summer, so if it goes very hot like a heat wave and then very cold again and very hot, these will think that they're in year 2 and bolt. Luckily enough, we're all fine, but we are in a heat wave now, so what we need to do is keep these well watered. And the reason I say keep it well watered is essentially if it goes into a drought mode, it basically stresses the onion, and a stressed onion thinks it's about to die. So what do you think happens? Well, of course, it puts up that flower spike to set seed ready to die. So keep it well watered, and that's one way of stopping those onion sets or onions from seed bolting. Now, these are onions grown from seed, so this time of year we're in mid-July and these are looking fabulous. They haven't started bolting, and of course before your onion gets to this stage there are signs to look for. So the flower stem will look just like a normal onion stem, but at the top you will see a tiny little arrowhead. That's when you know it's totally gone and it's gone to seed. It will just get bigger and bigger, then flower. Now, of course, when you pinch the top off your onion set, because it has gone to seed, so pinch the top off, and if you fold the stem in just a little bit to stop that rain going in, you'll buy yourself an extra month in the ground. But always eat the bolted ones first as soon as you can. Essentially, at this point, the onion is still edible. You can chop it up, you can freeze it, but the onion itself will not store very well. So if you have one of these looking like this, then eat it now, or it's just dead in the water. So onions tonight. So I always buy onion sets, and these will go in early and they'll go in over winter. Now in about May time I'll take a harvest, or once they start bolting I'll take a harvest from the onions. Now my onion seeds that get sowed in January to February time, these just tick on very small, but start going on through the winter, through the spring, and into summer is where these start kicking in. And towards the end of July I get another harvest of onions. So I win and I win. Even if they start bolting, I have a supply of onions, and that's the way I always do it, and that's the fix. And as you can see with these onions, it's been a couple of weeks before I started this video, but they have all fell over. Now this is a combination of two things: very windy, and they're pretty much ready. I can see the brown skin has gone onto the onion itself, and the bulbs have swollen up really nicely. So I'll be taking a harvest of these bad boys. So of course there is a way around this going forward into the future, and that's just buying bolt resistant or heat treated onions. And these, just simply look for those words when you're searching, and these are treated to help that extreme temperature fluctuations. And what I'll do, I'll link a video next on showing you how I do my onions. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.